we're back at the office and today we're going to be making artwork. Yes, you heard that right. I am going to be making my own artwork. I have been looking all over the place looking for paintings and all of that jazz for my walls, and I just can't find nothing, so I'm going to make my own. If you already know, in the last video I posted, I didn't like the artwork that I purchased for the office. I was thinking smaller would be better so that way the office don't feel, you know, too small and crowded. But boy, was I wrong. I need bigger artwork. I need bold, I need pattern, I need color. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm going to show you how I do everything. All right, so if you want to know how I created these beautiful artwork, keep watching this video. This is what I got for the artwork. So I have 2 pieces of fabric, and I got these from Joanne Fabrics, and I love the beautiful color on this one, and I also love black and white as well. I feel like black and white is just classic, and I also love color as well. So here are some of the things that I have for the project. I have a staple gun, of course scissors, I have my iron, and I purchased these canvases from my local thrift store. So yes guys, we're going to actually redo these canvases and make them pop, and yeah, we're gonna put them on the wall. So just to show you how much I paid for these small ones was $5 a piece, and the bigger one was $10. So yeah guys, are you ready to make these babies beautiful? Let's do it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to iron the fabric. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Okay. On top of the canvas, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. So basically I just want to look at the position, and this is how I like it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over. Okay. Now I'm going to start stapling it in place. The hardest part was using the actual staple gun. Everything else was really easy, and this was a fun project actually. You just want to make sure that you have the fabric nicely and tug, like pull it nice and tug, so that way there's no wrinkles on the canvas itself. And when you get to the corners, you want to make sure that you fold the corners really neatly, so that way it's not, you know, like bunched over or anything like that. Other than that, pretty cool and easy to do. I think you guys should try it out. This was really fun. Now this is where you want to really pay attention to the corners, so it's not really bunched in that corner section. Just make sure you fold it over, tug it really nice, and the corners will be nice and crisp. guys, so we are done. So let me show you number 1. So this is the first one. I love the colors, it's so pretty. And then when you turn off the lights, it looks darker. So cool. Just love it. I like it a lot. I really like it. I think once the room has character, you know, my things are in here, and I put a plant or so, I think it's gonna look really nice and it's gonna really pop. So that is that one. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the other one in this room. And here's the other one. And I like this as well. Same thing here. I think once it has, you know, things in here as far as like a human being, it's gonna really pop. It's gonna look really nice. And I think it would be really cute as well to maybe put like, place some family pictures on here. I think that would be really cute because you could like place things on here. So that's nice as well. Maybe some really nice colorful pictures of, you know, your loved ones. People like realness. They like to know that you have a family and etc. So I think that would be really nice. Extra touch to add on there. And for mines, I think a really nice black and white photo of my family would look cute as well on here. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.